Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new earning website where you can earn a lot of crypto very easily and freely. Now I am going to take withdraw in front of you in the form of Solana. You can see 0.005 Solana I will get withdraw from this website right now. Click on withdraw option and you should have a faucet pay account to take withdraw from this website very easily. And click on faucet pay account, select your cryptocurrency Solana and click on withdraw option. You can see each and everything. It will take up to only few seconds to take withdraw from this website. You can see 10,000 coins has been sent to your account and click OK and comes to my faucet pay account and click on overview. You can see either I got withdraw now, yes or no. You can see I got 0.005. Here you can check dates and time, each and everything. You can check everything right now. Now how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Now I am going to log in. I am going to log out and I will teach you everything about this cryptocurrency website. Here you can see multi cryptocurrency earning platform. You can check each and everything. About features, supported method, currencies and contact, everything is available. User-friendly interface that aims to give free cryptocurrencies for all of users. About this money platform, earning platform, you can check, you can earn by using this way. Faucet and PTZ and short links mining bonus system is also available and offers and surveys is also available. You can see how much days of online of this website, how much withdrawal and how much USDT they paid to their user from this way. Now hopefully you like it, you love it. You can reach here by just using a link. I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Click on register option and here you need to put your email, then username, then put password, two places. Click agree terms and condition and fill up the captcha. Click on the upside down picture and click on register. Now you can register here by using this way very easily. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this mining platform, Stay with us, stay tuned. Now we reached in our mining platform, earning platform. You can see daily bonus is also available and first program is also available from this website. That is very useful. I have silver coin because I take withdraw in front of you from this website right now. Mining program is also available. You just need to click on mining option and you can read all these useful information about this mining features that works here. You just need to click on start option and you can see how much coins you mined from this website. You can transfer mined coins to your main balance. One you reach 1000 coins in this website. Browser mining, you can check each and everything. And we have other option, that is PTC ads is also available. You can see 260 coins is available after just watching 313 ads. You just need to stay here only 10 seconds to get 20 coins from this website. You can also get more and more benefited from this website. That is very useful option. Other option is short links and you can see you can get up to 4,300 and 3,500 coins by just completing 39 add short links from this website. And achievement is also available for this website. You can see if you can claim 20 faucets you can get 50 coins and 100 coins if you can complete 10 short links. View PTC ads is also available. If you can see 10 PTC ads then you can get 20 coins from this website. And games is also available. That is another very useful and interesting option for all of us. Lottery, dice and coin flip and wheel of fortune, you can use any of these games to get a more and more benefited from this website. First aid program is also available. You just need to click on first aid option and they will bring you this type of interface in front of you. You have to wait for few seconds and click here, then they run other ad and you just need to close it and you can see we have to face only and click on collect your reward. You can see 9, 8 and 3. You have to click all these anti-boot links very carefully to get rewarded from this website. And upside down, which one is picture, that is, and click on claim now. Let's see how I got 50 coins. And if you can claim all these faucets very clearly, you can remove your ads from this website. That is other useful option. You can see I got only one faucet and I got 2 BTC from this website. That is very useful option. And referral program is also available. If you can click here, then click on referrals option.